Hi, and welcome back. So today we have a pretty good one. Today we have the a sunglass holder that mounts to the headliner area here. So I'm going to unbox it, show you what it is, and we're going to do the install, and I'll show you what I think of it. But before we get started, thanks to everybody who has subscribed. If you haven't yet, please click that subscribe button. It really does help. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, hit the alarm bell, everything. You know, the whole thing. All participation is really appreciated. And any comments, if you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment. I do answer every comment. So let's switch the camera around and we'll unbox this. Okay, so this is the car glasses case. And it says, enjoy high quality car life, easy access to glasses. This is for my Model 3. It's made in China. I got this on Amazon. I will provide a link in the description to where you can purchase one of these. So let's get it open. Top just slides off here. So here we have it. So what do we have in here? So first is we do have a little pry tool, which I believe we might need. And then we have the actual glasses holder. And I believe there's an extra. No, there's not. Okay. So the way this works is you just click it like that, and it closes and opens. You put your sunglasses in, right? And then the way this is going to mount, I'm going to show you right now. We're going to do the install, so stand by. Okay, so the way this is going to install is these two bottom tabs will go in between this plastic and the headliner, and these two tabs here go up inside here. Okay, so we have it installed. It was tricky to do, but I mean, it's nice. I still have access to my map lights. They still shine where they're supposed to. I can still access the flashers. And then if you open this, you can put your sunglasses in, and there they are. And then if you want to switch off, I'm actually going to put this in here, a little holder. Let's see if I switch off and put my eyeglasses in there. And then I can put my sunglasses on, and it really works well. This is really nice. I actually really like this. It was tricky to get in, and it does seem like the trick was to put the top in and then go in the bottom and use the pry tool to, there's like a notch where you can get the pry tool in, and you can slip it along to get the two notches under this light. But it's in real sturdy, and it looks really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, so I think this is a really great product. Again, I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase it off of Amazon. I really like it. You do want to be careful. They make multiple versions, one for the Model Y, one for the Model 3. They are different. Let me turn the camera around here and show you. Let me back the camera. So this amount of space between the headliner and this here is bigger on a Model Y. So you want to make sure you get the correct one. Yeah, but it looks great. It matches perfectly. I know there's a little shadow in the video, but it does match perfectly. Holds my glasses real nice. And it is not obtrusive or ugly or anything. I really like it. I kind of think it looks great. So yeah, I give this product 2 thumbs way up. It really does work well. It's inexpensive, maybe $22, something like that. And it's fantastic. And you can get it real quick on Amazon. It gets delivered quickly. And it's a great solution because now you have a place to put your sunglasses where, you know, you did not before. And it just looks really good. It looks like it's always been there. It looks like it belongs. Definitely awesome. So thanks again to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't yet, again, please click that subscribe button. It really does help. Thumbs up. Ring the bell, you know, like, share, comment. I answer all comments with any questions or suggestions. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.